Welcome to another episode of KLINGSPOR's Tech Talk. My name is Nikolai Patterson.
I'm EJ Yancey.
And today we're going to talk to you a little bit about this SMT Titan 975. We'll talk about a little bit of introduction into the 975 and into some of the features that the 975 have. So let's get into this. First, I want to just ask you, what is the 975 and how does it compare to the other SMT lines?
So earlier this year, we did a tech talk about Cevolution. You guys can check that out. That's about our brand new ceramic grain. So the 975 has that brand new grain on it, but it also has all the benefits that you get from our Titan SMT series. So the Titan SMT series has a trimmable backing, a 5/8 11 hub, all that good stuff that sets it apart from our previous release that we had with the 974 that is just your traditional SMT flap disc.
Got you. So, and when we're saying Cevolution, what exactly does that mean?
So we've been excited about the Cevolution all year long. It's a brand new ceramic grain that KLINGSPOR came out with this year. It's on a lot of our coated abrasives. We've had it on some SMT flap discs that we came out earlier this year, and now we're super excited to have the 975, which is a Titan version that has this ceramic grain on it. And actually, we got to shoot a video down in our tech lab to show you how the ceramic grain works with the Titan backing as well. So let's roll that video for you guys right now. So let's talk about the benefits. We have the Cevolution ceramic grain that you see right here on this side and the Titan backing you see on this side. So what's so special about the Titan backing? Well, you have your 5/8 11 hub, your fan shape and holes here that you see to keep the disc running cooler, as well as this awesome trimmable backing. So let's talk about the first benefit that I just said, the 5/8 11 hub. This hub is certified by OSA, which you can learn more about OSA and what that means to be certified to them on our website at klingspor.com. But it is super safe, and if you're in your shop, you're looking around for your wrench or lockdown nut or something like that to get this locked down on your grinder, well, guess what? You don't even need it. You can just spin this Titan right on here, right onto your grinder. No lockdown nut needed. And whenever you're ready to switch, you can just unscrew, and we have a new flap disc on just like that. So that's the very first benefit of the Titan backing. So now what I'm going to demonstrate to you guys is the ceramic grain. So what I'm going to do is run through our 40 grit, our 60 grit, and then our 80 grit, and we'll take a look at the welds in the finish. As you can see, guys, you get a ton of benefits just out of this one flap disc, and you can get a lot of work done just off one SMT. So you get the 5/8 11 hub, you get the trimmable backing, you get the fan shape for cooling, and you get our brand new revolutionary ceramic grain with the 975 Titan. As you could see when I went through the grit sequence, your 40 grit can remove quickly and fastly, and you can use it on extremely hard ferrous metals. The 60 grit, you get your best of both worlds. It's still fast cutting, but you get a nice finish with it as well. And then your 80 grit, That's all about that, you know, refining that finish, making that weld look really, really good. So, you know, to me, every fabrication shop could use the 975 Titan.
So as you can see in that video, you're able to trim it just like any other Titan. You have that hub, that fan's gonna keep it cool. What would be your favorite feature, EJ?
I mean, the Cevolution grain, right? You've got the 40, the 60, the 80 grit. The 40 grit's really aggressive. You're able to remove quickly like you saw in the video. Then you get the 60 grit, which is the best of both worlds. You know, fast removal, great finish, and then you get the 80 grit just to come in there, clean things up, but it's still aggressive enough as well as you saw in the video to take a weld down. So very excited to have the Cevolution grain on this Titan backing.
So everything with the Titan, you're just getting that ceramic grain.
Yes, and it's a fantastic duo. It's going to be our most aggressive, long-lasting flat disc that we have here at KLINGSPOR. If you got any questions about it, feel free to reach out to techtalk@klingspor.com. Thanks for watching. I'm EJ Yancey.
I'm Nikolai Patterson.